All right, so trade recap for today. Um, it's a bit of a mess right now, but for our structure heading into market open is bullish as we have closed above this high. So that means we want to see high time points of interest hit to move higher. We had marked out this. What is this? I don't know what that is. We had this 4 hour imbalance marked out. This all these as well. And we had equilibrium from these highs down to these lows. And also on the daily from the daily highs to the lows down there. Just as they're like weekly targets, to be honest, when we get up there by the end of the week. But get rid of that. We had hourly highs up here. I think this was a 15-minute imbalance. This is within a 4 hour imbalance. We had hourly highs as targets, and there we were currently within this 4 hour imbalance here. I had it as lines. I didn't really fancy operating my entire session within that flipping box. So we had them as lines. That's something to keep in mind. We're in that 4 hour imbalance still. Now, as the 4 hour is bullish, we want to see shorts down to high time frame points of interest, then move up. So we had on the hourly this imbalance here, along with this order block. Here, this move down sweeps out liquidity. Here, order block. And we came into that pre-market here. So instantly my mind is looking for longs. And well, market opens. We get a slight push down into that 1 hour imbalance and 1 hour order block one more time, along with sweeping out liquidity on the 5 minute and also filling in this 5 minute imbalance as well. And then for me, I wanted to enter off this candle close here. Because instantly I'm thinking we're going to go up. And this candle here invalidated this imbalance and this imbalance all in one go. So I would like to get my entry, as you can see, imbalance, imbalance. This candle invalidated both. I would have liked to get my entry either there or this candle after the break of structure. And I went to execute there. I wanted to have my stop down there, and my target would have been the top of that 4 hour imbalance for the majority of my position, and then a little bit more at those 1 hour highs here. Those are 1 hour highs there. And that would have been the trade that I wanted to take. We would have been stopped at break even, probably. That doesn't matter because we didn't even get filled. If you can see, rejected, we had 7 contracts, micro contracts, so it would have been $400 risked, ready to buy here, and we just got rejected. And I don't know why. It is quite annoying. So I would have liked, as I said, entry there, stop there, target there. Easy trade. But that is not what happened. We didn't get filled there. I was like, right, okay. We have this 1 minute imbalance and we have a 1 minute order block. This is a breaker as well. That's the breaker, but I don't like using breakers that much. We had this order block marked out by the blue line. And equilibrium didn't get hit. But as I said before, I wanted to go long straight away. We had a reaction off the order block. We entered off that. Our stop was around 20 ticks below the order block. And our first take profit was the same right there. The 1-to-1 risk to reward. We took off one contract there. We didn't move our stop to break even though, just because break even was so close. But a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Our second take profit was those hourly highs, and you can see we got very, very, very close. I think it was $1. Yeah, $1.25 away from our stop loss. And we pushed back up and swept out those hourly highs. For a 1.87 RR, took on another contract, and my final target was the bottom of that 15-minute imbalance, which didn't get hit, and we were stopped at just above break even. 1 tick above break even. We ended up the day $50,628, so just under $200 made, because we only ended up risking 0.35%, which is like $175. So not ideal money wise, very ideal trade idea wise. Our original trade would have smacked and won, we didn't get filled, and then this trade is still a winner. Can't complain at all. Even though the money's not there, the money's not the focus, we've instantly come up and we've took a winning trade, and that's the important thing. The skill is growing. So that's the trade for the day. Slightly annoying, but it is what it is. Not going to get butthurt about it at all. So the funded account now sits just above 1%. 1% profit. We need to get to 53,000 to pass. Obviously a very de-risked day today. If we had risked the proper amount, it would be up quite a bit, but it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Yeah, quite a simple trade recap, really. Get rid of. We can see on the 5 minute we were just playing in that imbalance for ages as well. Not very nice price action today, to be honest. Happy with our performance. So yeah, it was quite a simple trade. And I will see you all later on.